Hello children, welcome to the class of English. We are today going to learn a new story. What is the name of the story? The name of the story is Bambi. The name of the story is Bambi and it is chapter number 2. So children, let's get started with our story. Before going to story, let us see few hard words. So our first hard word is roe deer. What do you mean by roe deer? Roe deer means a small deer. The meaning of roe deer is a small deer. Feline. What is the meaning of feline? Feline is a name of female deer in this story. Okay, so what is feline? Feline is the name of female deer in this story. Barring his path. What do you mean by barring his path? The meaning of barring his path is blocking his way. Hastily. The meaning of hastily is quickly. Hastily is quickly. Commanding. That is powerful. Commanding. That person is very much commanding. That is, that person is very much powerful. Okay? So, gliding. The meaning of gliding is moving slowly without noise. Some people, they glide. That is, move slowly. That is, we generally do this when someone is sleeping. When we don't want that person's attention towards us, we move in gliding way. Okay? So, divergent and indirect path. So, divergent, it is indirect. Raged. Our next word is raged. Raged means extremely angry. That is to get very, very angry. So, children, these were all few hard words that we will be going through in this whole story. So, let us begin the story. The story is about a small deer whose name is Bambi, and his age is not that small or he is not that big. That is, see, he was no longer a little fawn, nor was he a stag yet. Stag मतलब सबसे बड़ा वाला डियर और फ्लॉन मतलब सबसे छोटा वाला बेबी डियर. तो हमारे जो बाम्बी है उसका एज क्या है? द एज ऑफ आवर बाम्बी, द कैरेक्टर बाम्बी इज इन बिटवीन द फ्लॉन एंड द स्टैग स्टेज. ओके, सो ही इज ऑफ दैट एज. So he had to gain a lot of wisdom before he could become the prince of the deer like the old stag. Now this Bambi, little Bambi, is growing and he has to gain a lot of wisdom before he could become that old stag or the prince of all deer. यानी उसको बहुत सारा knowledge लेना है, wisdom लेना है, बहुत कुछ बातें सीखनी है before he gets to turn into the prince or the of more age. Okay, so this Bambi was playing with the feline. Now who is feline? Feline is a female deer. Here feline is the friend of Bambi. Both of these two, Bambi and feline, they were playing at one place. So during playing, what happens? Bambi, like due to tiredness, he fell asleep there, and into the sleep he hears the voice. That is a very small voice like birds twittering around. He heard the voice that is come, come, that someone is calling him, come, come. These were the words which were heard by Bambi. Now he is already in the sleep. He wakes up and he says, oh, who is that calling me? And suddenly he remembers that feline was nibbling leaves Where was she now? Before he fell asleep, he remembers that feline was here nearby. She was nibbling the leaves. She was eating the leaves. Now where is she? I think so. Something had happened to her. Let me go and see. It is she who is calling me. ऐसा ये सब कौन सोच रहा है? बाम्बी सोच रहा है. ठीक है? Then see in the picture that Bambi and feline were playing with each other. Now he fell asleep and feline was he was unable to see feline around. So he thought that the voice which made him to awaken was actually the voice of feline. This is the thinking of Bambi. So he wakes up and he says that she must be in danger and I should go to find her. Again he hears the same voice, that is, come, come. These are the words which were the voice it was heard by the Bambi. So Bambi heard the voice clearly. This thin as birds twittering and tender, come, come, it said. क्या बोल रहा था वो? वॉइस कैसी थी? It was thin as twittering of birds and it was very very tender. Okay, so Bambi started to run. He started to run towards the direction of the sound to find out his friend feline. So while he was rushing, he saw the old stag. Now when he was rushing, he saw the old stag. What is old stag? ओल्ड स्टैग मतलब सबसे बड़ा वाला डियर जो बूढ़ा डियर होता है. ठीक है. सो ही मेट इन दी ऑन द वे एंड ही सेड, वेयर आर यू रनिंग Bambi? Then he said, I can hear the voice. I think so it is of feline and I need to go to save her. But this royal stag or the old stag, he is saying what? Don't go. Don't go. Okay. It is not feline. Don't go. So after hearing these these words, Bambi said, what is this person telling me? What is this royal stag telling me? I want to go to save my friend, isn't it? So see, Bambi had no time for the noble stag and he had thoughts for the feline alone. Now Bambi के दिमाग में क्या ख्याल है? Bambi is only thinking of his friend feline and he had no time to greet this old stag. So he greeted the stag hesitantly and tried to hurry up. Greeted मतलब थोड़ी सी बातचीत कर greetings करना, यानी कि हम like we say good morning, good afternoon, these are all greetings. We are conveying it to other persons. Welcome, thank you. So like this. So he greeted this royal stag in hurriedly and he moved on. But where are you going? Asked the royal stag. To the Bambi, to the feline, said the Bambi. Do not go, said the royal stag. अभी royal stag क्या बोल रहा है? Do not go at all. She is calling me, said the stag. वो मुझे बुला रही है. She is calling me. She is in need of me, so I should go. Bambi ये repeatedly क्या कर रहा है? बोल रहा है. So the call came once again, thin as birds. So फिर से एक बार आवाज आती है, which is thin as birds twittering. Come, come, like this. So what happens? Bambi felt the ground burning under the feet, but बाम्बी को कैसे फील हो रहा है? अभी ये रॉयल स्टैग तो उसको जाने नहीं दे रहा है अपनी फ्रेंड को बचाने के लिए. नाउ ही स्टार्टेड टू फील द ग्राउंड बर्निंग, यानी उसके पैरों तले जमीन कैसे फील होने लगी, जैसे वो बर्न हो रही है. लाइक दिस. ओके. सो he said, I know her voice. It is her voice only. So I want to go to her. So now he said, you will never come back. Never again. And said the stag. अब stag क्या बोल रहे हैं? You will never come back and never come again. रॉयल स्टैग कुछ बता रहा है बाम्बी को, लेकिन but he is not in a mood to listen him. He want to go there. I must go, said the Bambi. The old stag said, I will also come with you. Then both of them, old stag ने बोला ठीक है तुम जाओ, but I will also come with you. And both of them started to move towards the direction of the voice. They stood. After on the way, they stopped at one place. So they smelled the one typical scent, that is every animal is having the capability to smell human beings. So like this, they stopped at one place and near the oak wood tree, and they were able to smell the very familiar smell. And now Bambi was getting to understand what is actually happening. The voice was not of the feline, it was made by this human being. And he knew that when human beings come into the jungle, come into the forest, they come for hunting. And in this way, they came to know that there is a man who is standing behind the tree and he was going to hunt them. So Bambi got a clear idea of all these things. And why was the royal refusing him to not to go to the place from where the voice was coming? The reason was this, that he knew, royal stag knew that this is no deer calling us. It is the voice of the human. Humans are making voice so that they can come and we will get trapped over here. The royal stag knew this. So what happened? After moving forward, there was a sharp smell, and it was very, very familiar. The smell was of what? Human being. So now Bambi was feeling very scared. The royal stag said, let us move back and move towards our home. So they both started to come back. The royal stag said, previously also he said, I will come with you, but you have to follow all my instruction. And that is why Bambi was following all the instructions given by the royal stag. Now he said, once more time you have to follow my instruction, just come behind me. So he started to walk in a zigzag way. This is a type of movement of animals, to walk in a zigzag way when they find danger approaching towards them, isn't it? So hurriedly they moved in a zigzag way, but Bambi was very much surprised. Why is this royal stag moving in a zigzag way? Why? The old stag told Bambi to move in a zigzag way, and both of them started to move slowly away from the dangerous place. So they kept on moving, and at one place they felt that we have come far across from the dangerous place and it is better to stop here. So Bambi was thinking of thanking this old stag, but when now they have come far across from the danger, isn't it? Now they cannot hear any voice or they can feel that it is safe place now. So what did they do? Bambi do? Bambi said, I should thank this old stag. I could have listened him previously, but I didn't listen him. But then too, because of him, I am feeling very, very safe, and I have just crossed that dangerous place, and he has helped me. So I should thank him. But when he just saw around, there was no old stag around, and he said that it was the old stag disappeared. So this was the whole story of this little Bambi. So what is the moral of the story? The moral of the story is we should always listen to our elderly persons. They have more experience, so they always think good about the younger ones. So as the royal stag was thinking good about the Bambi. So children, I hope you liked the story. You have understood the story about the little Bambi deer. So for time being, children, stay home, stay safe. We will be meeting in our next video with our next story and poem. Thank you.